Hello, my name is Kayla, and today I will talk to you about one of America's greatest crises. Imagine a world where children are not outliving their parents or even their grandparents, not due to disease or war or even famine, but due to their daily food choices, which lead to obesity. The obesity epidemic in America is not just a personal issue of mine, but it should be a national crisis. It can affect multiple generations to come. So, what is obesity? Obesity is defined as having excess fat. Overweight is defined as having excess body weight for a particular height from fat, muscle, bone, water, or a combination of all of those factors. How to determine if someone is overweight? Usually, a doctor would examine a person's BMI, which stands for body mass index. And looking at those numbers, that's how a provider can tell a patient that they are overweight or even obese. So, as of 2024, over 40% of US adults are obese, with rates roughly the same for men and women. In 2023, obesity rates for US adults were higher than 35% in 23 states, marking a multi-decade increase in obesity rates. According to the reporter Ernie Mundell from the Health Day Reporter, he stated that the peak time for obesity is middle age, with 46% of adults ages 40 to 59 being obese, compared to those individuals between the ages of 20 to 39, which is 35%, and 38% of those the age of over the age of 60. Similar trends are also seen among people who are severely obese. So, the health risks that come with being obese would be increased blood pressure, diabetes, coronary heart disease, high cholesterol, stroke, gallbladder disease, breathing problems, and even sleep apnea. Some of these illnesses can be extremely taxing on someone's life as well as expensive, especially specifically for diabetes. Diabetic medication is very expensive, especially in 2024. As well as if a person was to have a stroke, the medical bill could be extremely high, and it's pretty taxing on someone's body. It's a pretty significant event to go through, and I can imagine that it would be scary as well. And then for breathing problems, which can lead to sleep apnea, just taxing as far as it makes it harder for you to exercise because you feel like you cannot breathe enough. And sleep apnea is when someone is asleep and they stop breathing. I can imagine that that would be pretty frightening, and it could be pretty alarming as well for anyone's family. So, some ways to combat obesity would just be for more physical activity, affordable food, and convenient food. These are both great impacts on obesity. According to Johns Hopkins Medicine, people can start having 60 minutes of physical activity, and that would jumpstart their process to combat obesity. Reducing screen time from phones, computers, laptops, and TVs to 1 to 2 hours just to promote that intention of being outside or just being physical for the day. And as well as having 5 servings of fruits and veggies daily. In conclusion, all of those factors that I listed can help combat obesity, and it will promote healthy eating and ensure physical activity and just foster a supportive environment for a healthier America. Thank you.